Okay, so the first thing we're going to do when evaluating these pieces is we're going to do what's called the common sense test. Now I know it seems very simple, but the first thing I want you to notice about these pieces are that, first of all, this is supposed to be 18 karat gold, and it's extremely hard. It's so hard, in fact, that I cannot bend these pieces. The second thing I want you to notice is that these pieces are a little off in color. I know they have been tested before, so I'm not so much looking at this side, but if you look at this side right here, or even this ring, it does not appear to be authentic gold in color. So I'm going to be skeptical of these pieces right away. Now the first thing I'm going to do is a magnet test. These pieces are clearly not magnetic, so that's good. The next thing I'm going to do is look at the hallmarks. Now this ring does not have hallmarks on it, but this bracelet does. This bracelet is marked 18 karat gold, so what I would do is I would actually stone test these and verify the carat of the pieces. Now, because I'm just stone testing a bracelet, I'm also going to stone test the ring and make sure that I can determine what carat it is. So I'm going to take the pieces and rub them onto the stone. The big thing here is I want to make sure that the stone rub is nice and thick, and that I'm able to get through any potential plating there may be on these pieces. Okay, so there's my first rub, and I'm going to go ahead and rub this piece as well. And then the final piece I'm going to test is this ring. You'll notice my stone test lines are about a 1/2 inch thick, and that gives me the ability to test through any plating I might potentially see. One other thing you can see just by looking at the stone rubs is that this ring is rubbing off copper. You can see how it's a copper color. So I'm going to immediately be skeptical of this ring since the rubs are not golden color. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put my 14 karat solution on here to test for any fake pieces. And you can see on all 3 of them, the line instantly disappears. Now I would not need to perform any other tests on these pieces. These pieces would simply be shared back with the customer or purchased at costume jewelry pricing.